first day of the 5th period here in Wisconsin. So me and Dad are heading out. We just saw Big Tom strutting in the backfield on the other side of those pines back there. So we're going to kind of get ourselves back here in the corner, try to sneak up a little bit, put the decoy out, and sit and call. So we'll see if he wants to play or not.
Let's do her.
Oh, I had to swing so awkwardly.
He didn't like something there.
Oh, I think it's us sticking out against his white box.
Maybe.
Oh,
nice shooting, bud.
thank you. Oh.
I'll keep it going. You run out there. How many we got? 3 more Toms still gobbling yet.
Oh, my leg is so dead.
That was spitting and drumming was awesome. He was right here next to us.
Yeah, I have that's so awkward for me to swing that way.
You want to grab this and I'll
carry it out.
I got it on you.
There's Pops.
I was buried in the bush there pretty good. Because he was only, what, 15 yards?
Yeah.
Said well, I think hear him.
I think he got to a point and he could see us. Look at how light colored that box is.
Yeah, maybe.
We were in the shadow, but oh, my leg is numb.
Yeah.
Oh, well, had to do the old double tap on him. That's been the story of my season.
Got yours.
I got mine. Oh man, I shot right at my truck. Not even any blades of grass in between it. It looks like a big tom.
Yeah, it's a pretty decent bird.
Yeah, all of a sudden I seen him, he picked his head up and I'm like, uh-oh.
Yeah.
Look at that. We should probably start with like sore thumbs against that box. If he'd have came this way.
Yeah. Yeah, real pretty though when he was fanning out that sun on him.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there was some nice color.
Oh, he's got some daggers.
Oh yeah, dandies.
Big little beard. Single. Big hooks on him.
Wow, got some real nice ones. Nice beard on him.
Oh yeah.
Dandy.
That's a nice bird. Whew. Oh. That was a quick hunt.
That's the way it should be. One and done. Got old Lila here. No BB holes. It was pretty close. Right over the top of her.
Well, here we are with the old Shanty bird. We like I said, we saw this bird strutting in this lower field. And we came around and we actually thought we got busted twice. When we were coming around, we had two hens get up out of the field. And we're like, oh crap.
Some deep draws right
But it was
here.
just two hens. So then we come over and we get set up. I'm like, all right, I'm gonna go out and put the decoy out. And then I don't know if you can see it in the background, I see a hen take off running in the field. I'm like, oh crap.
There's a big drop right behind us.
So we sit down and wasn't 30 seconds after we sat down, I let a set of calls out and he gobbled, huh?
Yeah.
But no, he must have been just taking his sweet old time working up this wooded draw here.
Yeah, he gobbled maybe 4 or 5 times. Each time was a little closer, and then at the end, all you could hear was the spitting and drumming. And
we could hear him spitting
20
and drumming
yards from us, and you couldn't see him.
We could hear him drumming for, what time is it? Probably 20 minutes, huh?
Oh yeah,
6:30. At least 20 minutes we could hear him drumming. And we still, right now, we have 3?
Yeah, at least three different
toms gobbling to the south of us. So I mean, don't let anybody fool you and tell you that the bird numbers are low. At least not where we're hunting right now. But no, it's kind of, this is a pretty sweet deal for us. All 3 boys got to kill their bird with Dad this year.
Yeah, it was along with all 3 is this year.
It's been a long time since we went hunting together. I think the last one I was with you was probably that bird you shot by storms.
Yeah, could have been.
But we got him done. Opening day, 5th week bird. The old Shanty bird.
The old Shanty bird, that'll stick.
Now we gotta get Mama bird, and hopefully, if Rachel feels up to it, she had surgery this week. Get Rachel a bird, and we're having a perfect season.
Yeah. So far, we're on a roll, so it's looking good.
Heck yeah.
Nice job.
Thank you.